sandihin ng DILG. Palakpakan natin muli sa Secretary Moros. Dito siyempre, ang ating chairman ng Erenako, Nagabotas. Dito po si Vice Mayor Luz Nervo ng Manila. Siyempre, ating Vice Mayor Victor Tuli ng San Juan. Congresswoman Del Saloma ng San Juan. Mga konsyal ng San Juan. Mga representatives po ng Ibang Luzon na nandito. At siyempre, ating Commissioner ng PPA, Willie Marshall. Ang ating pong kaibigan mula sa San Miguel Corporation, Boss Francis Chua. Iba't ibang mga publiko mula po sa Metro Manila Development International Agency. Siyempre, yung items niya, Councilor Polar Tani. Ang Commissioner ng aming Mayor Staff na si Reverend Ritualo. At sa pagkakataon upang tayo bilang isang Metro Manila, tayo lumakas ang samahan.
Hindi ko na po pagtatagalin. Alam ko, excited na po kayo na magsimula. So, ang akin lamang po pag-iusap ay sports lamang po tayo, wala po mag-aaway. Bagamat i-encourage kasi yun na yung intensity ng laro. Galingan po natin, good luck po sa inyo lahat. Ibinigit ako po ang paligid nito na bukas na. So, let the games begin.
Maraming salamat po, NMDA Acting Chairman at Former
I, General Pareja, do hereby solemnly swear that I will abide by all the rules of the games, that I will respect and follow the instructions of the referees, umpires, and game officials, and that I will act all the time as the true sportsman whose desire to win is only to love of the game itself. I further solemnly declare that each game is friendly contest, that in the spirit of camaraderie and true friendship where triumph is contemplated, victors will lose grace in their teammate will win. To all these I wish your right is a wholehearted cooperation and full commitment.
UAAP champion from De La Salle University, JC Macalan. UAAP champion from National University, best setter and finals MVP, Joshua Rataman. May bisita rin po tayo mula sa volleyball players ng Premier Volleyball League, PBL. Yan po ang sa panguna ni Miss Camille Cal, ang setter ng Akari Chargers. Pakinggan naman po natin ang message of support mula kay Mr. Richie Rivera.
Hello sa inyo lahat. First of all, thank you for inviting me and my co-athletes. And sa inyong lahat, again, nasabi naman na po nila kung ano yung mga best na pwede natin lahat balikin para ma-enjoy yung league na to. And sa akin lang po, enjoy po natin and let's all be competitive kasi syempre yun po yung spirit ng sports and syempre yung pakikipag-isa, sana po hindi po mawala. Yun na po, ingat and God bless.
Sana magustuhan niyo.
Dip on mo lang. Sikat masyado to. Sobrang sikat. No? Dami nagbibideo eh, no? Grabe.
Ang lali ng tingin eh. Honorable Bernard Avalos, to our beloved NNPA Chairman, Mayor Harry Laguna, Mayor Eli Cristo Rubiano, Mayor Danley Canco, and all city officials, to our special guest, Debate Commissioner Willie Marshall, and San Miguel Corporation, Sports Director, my teammate, my coach, my mentor, Coach Alphonsus Chuma. To Director Melangera and all mga po sa inyong lahat. As your tournament director, I assure everyone that there will be transparency and that our officials will be at their best and will be fair to the rules of the games. Good luck to all the teams, basketball and volleyball. May the best team win. Please support your LGUs and NKA teams. Hashtag we play as one. Thank you very much. Mabuhay ang NNPA Cup. Ready na tayo. First game, San Juan versus Manila. Magandang naman to. Good luck sa inyo.
San Juan and Manila on the court.
Ceremonial toss.
Daryl.
San Juan versus Manila.
Nakita mo ba si Sir?
Sino?
Substitution.